king, my father, today.
At this moment, you have no choice.
I have seen it all, my princess. And I have made up my mind never to spill a royal blood.
You shall feed the king now.
Your Majesty, the king is dead.
Eze, look at us. Do we look stupid to you? I will not fall for that nonsense.
God! God! Go and confirm the state of my father.
Yes, princess.
If you dare toy with this moment, I shall cut off your tongue and feed it to the dog.
Well, unfortunately, my princess, you will do no such. For your days are over. All of you.
I like it when you challenge me. You know why? Because it brings out the beast in me.
My princess, you can never have me. Because the people of this great kingdom and the elders will never spare you.
Shut up! One more word from you, I shall slit your throat.
Patience. Patience, my mother. This fool dares not toy with this moment. Else, this will be the last breath that he takes.
You know I don't like you. I don't like you one bit.
I'm aware of that, my prince. And I take it in good faith.
Speak!
I met the king lifeless.
At last! At last! Inyeze,
Yes.
this is you. I've missed you.
I've missed you too.
I was actually on my way to the palace so I can beg Ebuka to steal you out for me so I can see your face. I've missed your face.
I missed you too.
So, where are you going to with your bag?
My services at the palace are over. The king is dead.
What?
He died in the early hours of today.
I knew it. I knew it. He appeared in my dream last...
He did?
I'm going to miss my king.
Same here. Prince Ikemba is jubilating in the palace.
They will fail eventually. They are going to fail. Let me take you to my mother. I want you to see my mother.
No. I want to get to my kingdom first. After which I will come see your mother. Okay?
Oh, okay. In that case, I'll go with you to your kingdom. Then we'll come back and see my mother.
What?
I'll go with you to your own kingdom. Then we'll come back together and see my mother.
Okay, fine, fine.
Okay, let's go. Let me carry your bag.
Come on, chef. Come on, chef. Come on, Medin. Come on, Medin. Come on, come on. Manandreze di fanaka. Manandreze di fanaka. Come on, chef. Come on, chef. Come on, Medin. Come on, Medin. Come on, come on. Manandreze di fanaka. Come on, chef. Come on, Medin.
You have no right whatsoever to jubilate over your father's death.
Bekemba, who gave you the right to put on the king's crown and even his accessories?
Enough, please. We have all seen it. The king died on his own. So, when are we going to Amokwe Kingdom to crown my son king?
You who doesn't know where the rain started drenching him will never know where it will stop. He's already a king.
The day after tomorrow being a for market day, let him be prepared.
Fools, they have bowed.
Finally.
Finally.
Now bow to your new king.
Igwe.
But how come? None of you is saying anything about the other prince.
My queen, he rejected the throne and his people. He ran away without a trace.
I see. Oh, really? He ran.
Yes.
That's good news.
Yes, Prince Ikemba, you will be crowned in conjunction with the tradition of the 7 kingdom of Obodamuku dynasty. And you are going to become Ikemba the 6th.
Mbakwe, ever since I've known you, this is the only reasonable thing that you have said.
He came by my brother. It is what
it is.
Once again, congratulations.
Thank you, my boy. Thank you, my boy.
Yes, this is more like it. It feels good.
Finally, behold, the new king.
But my king of Opo Kingdom.
Are you happy that you lost your husband?
No, come on.
But you don't look like someone who lost her husband. You are supposed to be in your kingdom, attending to sympathizers.
Look, I am mourning my late husband, the king. Yes, but not on the usual way.
I am here to tell my friend that I lost my husband and to remind her of our deal. You know, against all odds. Yes. Let me ask. Is Prince Ikemba dragging the crown, or rather, the kingship with anybody? No, not at all. My queen, you should understand. I will advise you go back and pretend to be sad and mournful of the demise of your husband before you talk about the deal. Queen Mother, I will be pleased if you will understand that I mourn my late husband more than every other person. See you on Coronation Day.
They want to rule the kingdom by fire, by force.
Fantastic.
Hey, my love. Oh my God. So finally you're in the country. This is so exciting, my love. So exciting. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Come on, I've missed you and I've always wanted to see you. Well, tomorrow is going to be so exciting and so glorious. You know, you will be crowning my brother, the king of my kingdom. Oh yeah. But that is after you and I must have been crowned king and queen of Amoko Kingdom. While you, the emperor, crowns him, the king of Obowo Kingdom. That's how it is, baby. Oh yeah, baby, I can't wait for tomorrow to come. I just can't wait. Once again, I want to say welcome to Nigeria. All right, my love. I'm going to hang up now because my mother is back from your kingdom. All right, I love you.
My amiable daughter.
My mother.
Hey, my soon-to-be queen.
My mother.
I can't wait for tomorrow to come.
I swear. Tomorrow is already here, mommy.
Hey, I shall walk on my shoulders so high, and I shall never bring it down.
And your shoulders, mommy, will never drop down.
You can say that again.
Then I shall command lions to eat up our folks as breakfast, lunch, and supper, mommy.
Yes, the elders, they shall be in shambles. They shall become a great meal for the lions.
That's it.
I can't wait to see the shame on them tomorrow.
And you shall behold the shame and disgrace on their ugly faces, mommy.
You can say that again.
We made it, mother.
And Queen Nora shall be dumped. How much I hate her.
She has no idea.
I hate her so much. I only went close to her because I want her son to crown my son king of Obowo Kingdom. Afterwards, I shall dump her. I shall throw her to the bin where she belongs.
Like a piece of trash.
I shall throw her away like a piece of trash.
Like a piece of trash that she
my
is.
daughter, we made it.
We did, mommy.
We made it.
We did.
We made it.
We made it.
We made it.
It's exciting.
We made it.
It's exciting.
We made it.
Oh yeah.
Woo! I can't wait for tomorrow to come.
I can't wait.
I can't wait for tomorrow. I shall become mother to the queen
of the seven kingdom.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
My daughter.
Mama.
I'm your daughter. Queen of our time.
That's me.
Please, my daughter.
Oh yeah, mother. This is so exciting. I can't wait for tomorrow to come.
If Nanya,
Ifunanya! Ifunanya! Ifeanyi, where is your sister? Since morning she left this house and she's not yet back.
I don't know. I've not seen her.
Who are they? I don't understand what is going on.
Mama, I am as shocked as you are. I can't believe it myself.
What happened?
See, let's go to the palace.
Huh? Palace what?
What's it? Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go inside.
No, ma. Eh?
What is happening here now? Tell us.
What has she done? Ifunanya,
let us go to the
What is going on there? What is happening there?
Worry yourself, man. When we get there, you will know.
Hey!
Can we go, please?
Hey! Ifeanyi! Talk to me. Hey!
Mama,
Ifeanyi, close our door.
This life is not the way you think, and it cannot give you all your wishes. It cannot give you everything you want to. Shedding innocent blood cannot lead you to the truth. No matter what. They have soiled their hands here because of the truth. It's breaking my heart what you are doing. Defending my They have soiled their hands here because of the truth. It's breaking my heart. It's making me to cry. Defending my
Honestly, I do not understand why the so-called emperor is keeping me waiting. I'm not designed to be here forever. I have other things to do.
Kemba, please. Not today. Calm down.
My prince, calm down. It's already a day. No need of being upset. Once the emperor is here, he'll be crowned, and you also will be crowned.
My prince, please calm down. Patience should be an attribute of someone to be king like you.
Well, I cannot wait to meet my husband-to-be, mother. I mean, the almighty emperor. This is so exciting. I can't wait to be made his wife. And my brother here, crowned the king of Obowo Kingdom. Yes, my daughter.
Queen Nora, yes. Thank you so much. You're such a nice person. I love you, darling. You know, the bond between the both families will be so strong.
Oh, yeah?
Nora, thank you.
Hello. It is dawn. Thanks be to the gods of this land. Congratulations, Your Highness the Emperor.
At this point, my prince, I wish to humbly let the cat out of the bag. Let me quickly inform you all that the ceremony is over. A new emperor has been crowned, and a new king of Obo too.
Winora, I don't understand. What are they talking about? Please talk to me.
You, bloody fool. What nonsense are you spitting from your mouth? If you do not know what to say, you better keep your mouth shut. The only reason why I'm letting this slide is because today is designed to be my happy moment.
In addition to that, my prince, your late father chose another to take over from him.
What nonsense are you saying, you old fool?
And we, the elders, are under oath to protect his wish. And I know wherever your late father or our king is right now, he will be very happy with us.
That's right. Have you seen why I don't like these nincompoops? These bloody fools, these animals. Have you seen why I don't like them?
This is a top royal secret by both kingdoms. Thanks be to the gods that has come to pass. In no distance time, the emperor, the wife, the new king of Obo, and the queen will march in here. And all of us will go straight to the village square for the celebration.
What sort of drunk elders have my father been working with? What is going on here? What nonsense are they talking about?
Winora, talk to... You're my friend. You're a good person. What are they saying?
What is going on here?
Oh, in no distant time, it will be very clear to every one of us. Yes. My princess, the lioness, I need to remind you that you sent your talks to the wrong person.
They have soiled their hands because of the truth. It's breaking my heart what you are doing. Defending money, they have soiled their hands because of the truth. It's breaking my heart, it's making me to cry. Defending money, this life is not the way you think, and it cannot give you all your wishes. It cannot give you everything you want to do. Shedding innocent blood cannot lead you to the truth. No matter what. They have soiled their hands here because of the truth. It's breaking my heart what you are doing. Defending my they have soiled their hands here because of the truth. It's breaking my heart, it's making me to cry. Defending my
is going on here? No! Winora! You betrayed me! Winora! You betrayed me! No! 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 The chef! The chef! What is going on here, for God's sake? Chima, what is happening?
My prince, this is life. You played yourself.
Ifunanya, what are you doing here? And you? This is not happening. Nora, you betrayed friendship.
Oh, yes.
You did this to me? Chef! Ifunanya, what are you doing? What is going on? Tell me what is happening here. What is going on? Talk to me, please.
He is my son. Oh, yes. He came to the palace just because of this particular mission.
No! No, this is not happening. This is not happening. You, the emperor.
You betrayed him. Abused my son. Humiliated him and almost killed the new emperor.
No, this is not happening. This is not happening. This is not happening.
Chef, I'm sorry, Emperor. Please, let us reason like men, please.
Can you please shift? The lioness. I thought you were smart, but you were not. I played a very good role on your imaginable relationship. Oh, yes. Nora, you were talking to my palace guard, thinking you were talking to me.
No, 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 no. This is not happening, Nora. You lies! Lies!
Be the last.
At this point, I believe it is time to celebrate our new king.
Exactly. Yes! Exactly.
Let us proceed to the field.
Of course.
Nora!
Chef, pick your...
Nora!
Greetings to the royal family. Mother.
Unfortunately, one of your boys has been arrested. And he confessed to a crime involving you for the murder of a crowned prince. I will let the police do their job. Officer, over to you.
I am your son with your daughter. Ada, stand up.
Please move. Do not
Stand
waste
up.
our time. Move, move. Chima, you will talk to me with respect.
That you are a royal family does not make you above the law.
Madam, stand up. She's the winner.
My king, this is family issue. Can we settle it here?
Murder is not a family issue. I will let the law take its full course.
Of course.
Madam, move.
Mother, please do not even
Let's
beg
go,
them. Don't beg them. Let's go.
Let's go.
Do not touch me. Move. Move it. Rubbish.
Bad mother with bad children.
This is good.
Guards, maids, please come out
Out. This is a new era. Come and welcome your queen and your king. I love this. Oh my word.
If you stand on their way, they will destroy you. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? They are ready to do anything just to take over the throne. Killing is nothing today. If they see you as threats, you are gone. They have no regard for humanity. They are selfish and deceit. They have committed a lot of atrocities because of truth. Bad mother with bad children, very desperate and ambitious. Fatally to the they want to rule the kingdom by fire, by force. What you gonna do? On your put you so far, baby now. What you gonna do? If you stand on their way, they will destroy you. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Bad mother with bad children, very desperate and ambitious. Fatally to the what you gonna do? They want to rule the kingdom by fire, by